if you want to use circle to search on POCO M8 5G, then what you need to do in order to activate it is you need to press and hold your finger on the home button if you use buttons for navigation, or the navigation handlebar if you use gestures for navigation. So press and hold these buttons, one of these buttons actually, and now we can open the Google's circle to search overlay. Now in this case, we can draw a shape around a subject in order to get Google's search result of the selected area. But besides that, what you can also do is you can simply tap on the subject or a text, for example, in order to get the same results. Not only that, but circle to search also comes with some additional features, like for example the song recognition. So if you tap on this music note icon, you can let your phone listen to the background, and you can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the title of a song. So for example, if you are outside and you want to get a title of a song, then you can try to get Google search results with the song title like this. And not only that, we also have the screen translation. So if you use this translation icon, then you can choose the source language, so the language that you originally have. It is also automatically detected, but of course in some cases it might be wrong, so you might want to fix that. And then we're going to choose the target language. So let's say we're going to choose German as an example, and now as you can see, this screen is translated to the selected language. And that is pretty much it. But if for example you want to disable circle to search, or if it doesn't work for you, I mean pressing and holding the home button or the navigation bar, then you want to go to settings, then open home screen, and then choose system navigation. If you use buttons, then you should be able to find press and hold home button, and here you can decide. And if you use gestures for navigation, then we have press and hold full screen indicator in here. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.